body,
corps,
head,
tête,
face,
visage,
hair,
cheveux,
forehead,
front,
eye,
œil,
ear,
oreille,
nose,
nez,
mouth,
bouche,
lips,
lèvres,
teeth,
dents,
tooth,
dents,
tongue,
langue,
cheek,
joue,
chin,
menton,
neck,
cou,
shoulder,
épaule,
arm,
bras,
elbow,
coude,
hand,
main,
finger,
doigt,
nail,
ongle,
chest,
poitrine,
back,
dos,
belly,
ventre,
waist,
taille,
hip,
hanche,
leg,
jambe,
knee,
genou,
foot,
pied,